Let us also solve this pair or simultaneous equation. But in this case, because this question will be easily be solved by method of elimination. But in this case, let us try substitution and see what will happen. So we call this one equation 1, the second one equation 2. So from equation 1, let x be equals to 5 minus y. Yes, so this one become equation 3 now. So instead of x, so in equation 2, we'll put 5 minus y for x and see what will happen. So whenever we see x, we'll put 5 minus y. So it become 2 into x, that is 5 minus y plus y equals to 8. So you simplify. This time is will give us 10 minus 2y plus y equals to 8. So from here, 2 minus 2y plus y give us minus y, which will be equals to 8 minus 10. So y now will be equals to 8 minus 10 is minus 2. From here, y now will be equals to 2. So from equation 3, let's put 2 for y so that we can get x. Therefore, from equation 3, x now will be equals to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, x will be equals to 3. In general, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Please, whenever you solve it, please try and prove it so that you know that you're right. So x is 3, y is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. You see it there? So we are correct. Y is 2 and x is 3. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So sure, the answer is 3 and 2. That is x is equal to 3 and y equals to